How to restore deleted photos and videos on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to recover your deleted photos and videos. So the very first thing you want to do here is go over to your Google application, tap on the Google account at the top right corner. Then from here, tap on Manage Google Accounts. From here, you want to scroll down all the way until you find Data and Privacy. And then from data and privacy, make sure that you have turned on your Google Photos backup. And if you're sure that your Google Photo backup is turned on, you want to go to content saved from Google services. Then from here, you want to find Google Photos. So click on download data, but before that, you can just scroll down and go to photos. And then from here, you can view all of your photos. So go ahead and tap on download option. And then you are gonna have to head over to Google Takeout. And once you've selected Google Photos, all you have to do is tap on Next Step, select this, and then make sure that you select this to zip file, and then you can select it to 1 GB or 2 GB depending on how big your data is. Just tap on Create Export. And once your export is ready, you'll be notified on your Gmail where you can download the zip file and you can access all of your deleted photos and videos from there. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.